Do you think it was a mistake for the Trump administration? They took out Maduro, but they left Delcy Rodriguez and other Maduro allies effectively in power.
I think that's a great question. Is the art of the possible? Politics is the art of the possible. For 25 years, the Chavistas destroyed the country. Delcy was part of that plan. Remember, we got to remember that Delcy was the vice president of Maduro. Maduro was indicted in 2020. He was the head of the Suns cartel, along with Delcy and Diosdado Cabello and Padrino, who's the head of the military. We're talking about that they are the same gang. But we also know that the United States needs to keep stability, which is what Secretary Rubio said. Stability, restore, and transition. We, the United States, we're not in the business of occupying. We're in the business of liberating. And that's what I think is happening.